I'm Eric Mitchell of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, CDN Joiner Realtors, and this is 44 Gatling Avenue.
Welcome to 44 Gatling Avenue in the heart of Greenville. Situated in a desirable neighborhood, this property presents a remarkable opportunity for those seeking an elegant and comfortable lifestyle. As you step inside, you'll immediately be captivated by the spacious and open floor plan, flooded with natural light that accentuates the beauty of every room. The main level boasts of a welcoming foyer that leads you into an expansive living area and gorgeous kitchen, featuring top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and ample cabinetry. Whether you're a seasoned chef or simply enjoy preparing meals, this kitchen is sure to inspire your culinary adventures. The luxurious master suite is a private oasis offering a tranquil atmosphere to unwind and recharge. It boasts a spacious bedroom, a walk-in closet, bathroom with dual vanity, and spacious shower. Designed for both relaxation and entertainment, this home offers a variety of indoor and outdoor spaces. The deck is a perfect spot for savoring your morning coffee or enjoying the gentle breeze in the evenings. Located in the sought-after neighborhood, 44 Gatling Avenue offers a prime location with convenient access to shopping, dining, and entertainment options. The vibrant downtown area is just 2 miles away, offering a host of amenities and cultural attractions. Don't miss the opportunity to make this exceptional residence your own. Schedule your private showing today and experience the epitome of Greenville living at 44 Gatling Avenue.